This podcast was made with a virtual voice. Today, let's board my imaginary boat, heading for a little gourmet break. Just once, we are going to leave Rouen to discover a Norman cheese with a rather unusual name. We are here in Illois, a small town in Seine-Maritime, and in front of us, you can see the Villiers farm. And it was here that in 1985, a strange cheese was born. The Pillow. It is a soft cheese with a bloomy rind. But why does this cheese have this name? Well, quite simply because it was a Parisian customer of the farm who requested the creation of this cheese and who chose to give it this name. Originally, the Pillow was about 10 centimeters in diameter. Today, it is a small cheese made from raw cow's milk, which weighs 100 glouers and which comes in 3 flavors: chives, shallot, and walnuts. If you want to see what this cheese looks like or go to this farm, the website is in the description of this podcast.